Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you my choreography to BLACKPINK's How You Like That. Now this is a collab that I did with Nicole. Big shout out to her. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, go check it out. And I'm going to be teaching you guys this in two parts. This part is a little bit more challenging, and then the chorus section is super easy. So if you're new to dance, I'll also put a link down to part 2 there, and you can learn that piece really easily. Now, before we get started, I have one more announcement to make, and that is that my online dance academy is finally opening. We've been working on it for almost a year now, and it has everything from dance tutorials, teaching you guys how to film videos, how to grow your social media, all different dance styles. It's such an amazing community of dancers and instructors helping you guys grow. So make sure you check it out. You just go to dncr.com, or I'll put the links down below too so you guys can find everything. I'm also going to be sending out some special videos to everyone that's on my email list, so I'll put the link down there to join that as well. But that's enough talking. Let's get to the choreography. Now I'm going to flip this so that you guys can learn it the way that I'm speaking through it. And the first thing you're going to do on 5 is step out on your right foot. You're just going to go right foot and knee goes in, and then you flip your arm up, and then same thing on the left. So it's going to go 3, 4, we're going to catch 5 and 6 and, you're going to hit your shoulders, 7 and then you're going to roll up from your hips, 8 to go boom, and we're hitting over to that right corner. So that's your intro. It's going to go tap, 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 and boom, just like that. 6, nope, I'm going to mess those counts up a lot. Here we go, 2, 3, 4, it's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, boom, 2 and. So after you bounce off this hit, 1, you're going down to come up here, and then you're just going to row the boat 2 times like that. So you're going right, my feet go to the left corner, right with the arms, left with the arms. You're going to step out right foot, right foot, and I'm leaning and I'm pointing up on this diagonal here. You're going to hear a sound in the music that goes brrr. So my hand is doing a little jazz finger close situation. Brrr, pull this in. You're going to step on your left and go whoop, down chest, slide, slide. One more move and then we're going to go back. You're just going to kick with your right foot to the corner. You're going to go kick and drop down to come up here. And this is going to set you up for a bounce, 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 and yeah, hit the wall right there. All right, now I know that was a lot of steps. Let's go back really slowly from the top. 2, 3, 4, you go 5 and 6 and shoulders and 8, 1, 2 and push, push, you go 5 and 6 and whoop, pull down 8. This is 1, 2, chest, slide, slide, kick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Now you're gonna hear in the music, it literally goes doom, 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 doom. So this feels really weird, slow, but doom, 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 doom. When you hit it on those beats, it's gonna match up really nice. Let's try it again from the top, just to make sure you really got it, and then we'll go on. 2, 3, 4, I remember to count that time, and 7, 8, boom. 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, pull 8, 1, 2 and slide, slide, kick 5 and 6, doom, 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 doom. Nice. From here, moving on. She's gonna say, bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. We're gonna hit all those lyrics. Your feet, you're just gonna do a pas de bourrée. You're gonna go left, right, left, just like this. Your hands are a little tricky. Your right hand is gonna do a wave up. Now, if you really wanna like isolate it and get it proper, it's deep, 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 which is wrist, elbow, shoulder. Honestly, it's so fast that if you just kind of do a wave and have this arm look like it's pushing it up while you do the feet, it's gonna look fine. So we went boom, she says bada bing, then you're gonna go right, left, switch to this side, then you're gonna come all the way around, click, and lock this in. So it's slow, you did, boom, you go bada bing, bada boom, turn, boom, you hit this snare, click, and lock that into place. Then you're gonna take this left hand, you're gonna throw your head back, and it's gonna send you into a body roll. As this comes through, you're gonna go push, push, double here. So all I'm doing without my arms is body roll knee, knee, double here, and my hand just swoop, pushes through, out, like you're ironing your pants, get all the wrinkles out. So it's 1, 2, double here. Last part, you're gonna go here and up, down. So hands are going right hand across, left hand across, up, down. Then you're gonna take your left arm and you're gonna pull across to slide. And then you're gonna look to the side, click, and your hands are gonna come up like this. And that's gonna send us into the next section where she's like, look at you, now look at me. And we have this slower moment. So let's go back from the top all the way up to there and put that together. 2, 3, 4, you go 5 and 6 and shoulders and hips. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 up, 7 down. 1, 2 and 3, 4, kick 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. Click through knee. 2, 3, 4, you go right, left, up, down, pull through. And notice how I'm leaving my head to the front. Get that nice and clean here. Now, from here, you went boom, look at you. You're gonna look to the front, shoom. Then you're gonna open your hands on the So this went ha na 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 shoom, boom. Look at you, now look at me, That's our timing. Then from here, you're up. You're gonna step, look at you. You're gonna open to the front. You're gonna come in with your knees in your hands. You're gonna roll them in and pick this up. So this timing, dee, 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 whoom, whoom. Look at you, now look at me, Look at you, now look at me, So this is on the, Then she's gonna say, look at you. You're gonna go, look at me. So this is from here, pulling back. And then when I step forward on my left foot, my left hand comes around with my left foot. Then you're just rolling to come here to your head. So my hands are rolling towards my body here. Then I'm gonna step out, I'm gonna go click, and I'm gonna pull this, zoom, and then I'm gonna bring this up to, doom, 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 doom. Hit that same boom, 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 and the whoa at the end. So let's try that section one more time. You went doom, you go shoom. Look at whom, look at me, look at you. Now look at me, look at you. Now look at me, whoom, ha, 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 yeah, doom, 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 boom. Knee, knee. So as soon as you hit this whoa, shoom, you're just gonna let it rock into these knees and you can do whatever you want with your arms. So doom, 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 boom, A, step, last part. Now when I did this with Nicole, we did opposites, but I'm gonna teach you my side, and obviously you can flip it to do hers. All I'm doing is going right, left. I'm gonna body roll down all the way to my hips. I'm gonna roll up, come out my arms, come around to step and cross, pull, up, down. All right, now that sounds like a lot when we just talked through it, so let's go one more time. After you're out here, we're going doom, doom. We're body rolling down. Look at you, now look at me. There's a click right here. So at the bottom of this, I like to boom, kind of hit that, contract, shoom, and then that sends me back up. And then right here, so after this roll up, my left foot slides in, my hands come around, then she's gonna say, how you like that. How you like that. So that's the hands. All I'm doing is stepping forward on my right. How you like, and then down. And then in the video, if you've seen it, this is where we transition into the next location, and that's where we have the next part, which I'm actually gonna teach you guys in a separate video because like I said, this is a lot, and that part's really easy and fun. So for my newer dancers that just wanna learn that, you guys can head over there. But let's get this part down, and then you're gonna learn that one. You can put them all together. It's gonna be really dope. So from the top, nice and slow, and then we're gonna speed it up. You go 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, boom, dun, dun, bop, 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 and 7, 8, 1, 2, and slide, slide, kick, 5 and 6, D, 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 boom, bada bing, bada boom, 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 and click, and 5, 6, 7, 8, hands, doom, 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 and shoom. Look at you, now look at me, look at you, now look at me, look at you, now look at me, how you, what, da, 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 boom. A, step, twist, twist, Now look at me, boom, and up, around, how you like, go, all the way down. Nice. All right, so that's the whole combo. Slowly, you can go back, do that as many times as you need. Once you feel like you have it down at that speed, we're gonna do it one more time, a little faster to get you guys ready for the music. So let's try from the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 2 and 3, 4, bam, 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 7. 1, 2, and hey, hey, dee, da, da, yeah, boom. Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. That part's fast. And you, 2, ga, dee, dee, up, down, and shoo. Look at you, now look at me, ha, ta, ta, and look at me, ha, doom, doom, doom. Look at me, how you, shoo, gi, 2, 4, ka. Now look at me, click, 2, 3, and how you up, down, and chill. Nice, you guys. All right, at the fast speed, it is a little bit fast, so if you don't get it right away, don't get discouraged. It took us a couple run-throughs too to really get it down, but this is the first like almost 3/4 of the dance. The next part, I'm gonna put in another video. I'll put the link to it down below for part 2. Super easy, fun. It's like a part you can teach your friends even if they don't dance. But thank you guys so much for dancing with me today. Hopefully you're out of breath like I am. Make sure you go to dncr.com to find out more about the DNCR Academy and all the cool things that we're doing over there. I can't wait to dance with you guys again soon. I'm gonna go breathe. See you guys on the next video.